Hello there, welcome back to the channel Artwithshagun, and this is your friend Shagun back with another video where I'm going to show you guys something really amazing. So it have been a very long time since I haven't created any kind of review video for you guys. So today I'm going to have a kind of review video that is a kind of happy birthday party pack for decoration. So I bought it from Amazon and it came into this kind of look. Okay, so I just opened the whole package for the sanitization. As you all know, the situation right now is like what to say, so that's the reason why I have just sanitized all these things. So it's time to review them, see what we have actually got in this pack. So basically the thing that I have got very first in my hand is this is a kind of silver color foil curtain. You can easily get it of different colors and different sizes on Amazon easily, but as it was an actual kind of a combination pack, so it says that it is a pack of 63, as you can see on the screen side. So this is a pack of 63 where I got these balloons that are of three color, that is golden, silver and black. So they came into a kind of 20 pack of each color. So I got 60 balloons of three different shades that are equally in numbers. The next thing is this foil curtain that is 60, that is here, and two foil curtains I have got. Actually this pack was a big one, so yes. And I will also mention the price on the screen right now. You can see the price of the whole pack, and you can easily order it from Amazon. You will also find different kind of color variation in this pack with different kind of pack, like in few of the pack you will find 63 pieces, or in some of other you will find 32. It's like this only. So the next thing that I got was this is a happy birthday whole foil pack, that is alphabet foil pack. So this is which I got in this, but actually right now I'm having only one letter here that I have just opened, because you know what, it's too difficult. It is folded in such a way so that it's too difficult for me to get it back into that same shape. So this is the reason why I have just opened this one letter. So the whole letters are here. I will decorate it, right, show you that how I have decorated it. Then you will find all those things easily, that how I have did it. So with this foil pack I have got two more things that are here. So these are two more things. So this is a kind of ribbon, and this is a straw that I have got. So basically this is for bring up this foil one, and this is to tie all the letters together. As you can see, there are lots of hole in the letter, on the side of the letter. To tie them together I have to use this only. And let me show you that how I have filled the balloon from which place. So you will find this area. You have to take your pipe and just insert it inside the hole, and then you will find that it will completely blow up when you will fill it with air. So let me show you that how it will look after blowing up. So let's see it. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks after you fill air in it. So basically here I have just attached the pipe to show you guys that how we have to do it. Wait for a second. Okay, so when we need to get all the air out of this balloon, this foil one, so what we have to do is so simple. We have to insert it a bit more inside. Now you can see it's all the air are coming out. So yes, this is how we can easily get all the air out of this foil bag. So this is so simple, you all can see. Now we have to take out the straw, and this is how it will come out of the foil balloon. So let's keep it aside. Now you have seen these curtains. Okay, so I am just showing you like this only out of the packet, because you know what, if I open it once, they are too big to handle that. I need 2% to handle this because it's too big and it used to stick everywhere. So this is the reason, and I will show you at the time these things at the time of decoration. After decoration I will make you see all the decoration by going close to them and taking a look to them. So let's leave it right now, this thing. I will show you the next product, that is these metallic balloon. Okay, so I got this in three shades, that is this golden one, next one is black one, and then a silver one. But actually I found the silver one looking more like a gray balloon, but let us blow it and see how it looks like. So let me blow this and show you how it looks like. Okay, so guys, I have just blown all these three colors. You can see them. So when I will blow it a bit more, because you can see I have not blown it completely, so you can see it. The colors are great. I love the whole pack. So it's time for the decoration. So let's see how we are going to decorate it. Oh, here we go. So sorry guys, unfortunately the video was going to be so long, so I thought to cut it down and show you guys these videos into two parts. The first one with the review one that you have just saw completely right now, and the second one would be the decoration one. So if you want to see the second one, the decoration part, then you must visit to my channel for watching that. And you know what, it's going to be a kind of wonderful video, because it's not only the decoration video, but it's the whole complete Janmashtami decoration video for you guys. So I hope that you all would have liked this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And if you want to watch that second video, I will definitely provide the link below in the description box. So I hope that you all will like it. So thank you for watching. Have a good day ahead.